Hi, my name is Mariel Deluna, and I'm a PhD student at the University of Edinburgh's Moray House School of Education and Sport. So for me, looking at oppressions intersectionally is kind of like chemistry. And to be fair to myself, there was a point in time where I might have almost failed chemistry, but I also feel like Mr. Noblejas might be proud that at least some of this stuff stuck. Um, So we know that separate elements exist in the world, right? Like oxygen is oxygen and hydrogen is hydrogen, but we also know from science that two hydrogens and an oxygen come together to make water. And oppressions intersectionally are kind of the same way. We can look at racism or language discrimination or accentism in isolation, but the reality is that they all co-occur and are comorbid with each other. For the teachers that I work with, I ask, what is it about them that enables them to successfully navigate conversations on racism or anti-racism with their students or with their colleagues, or even navigate them unsuccessfully? So, for example, let's say two teachers invoke LGBTQ plus issues at the same time as issues of racism, right? One teacher might conflate the two struggles and place them all together all willy-nilly, and it's vinegar and baking soda and making an explosion of a volcano mess. But then another teacher with more knowledge of chemical reactions, a teacher with an intersectional lens, might be able to successfully integrate the two communities within their school community, to continue the metaphor, to make a cleaning solution out of vinegar and baking soda rather than a mess. We have this water molecule of race and language and ethnicity and nationality, and the conditions where we experience this molecule are important, right? So water is solid when it's cold enough. You can hold it in your hand, you can touch it, you can feel it. And in the same way, the intersection of racism and language can be touched and tackled when it's obvious and made explicit. And it's less easy to do that, less easy to grasp and easier to hide behind other things when it's not as obvious. And so as researchers and as educators and as activists, we can create these conditions with an intersectional lens. It's not enough to know racial literacy or to have expertise within the educational context in isolation. We need this knowledge of chemistry and chemical reactions.